Well, hello, welcome to Mr. Garage. Today we're going to be changing the TPMS sensor on my 2003 McLaren MP4-12C. I just want to take a quick second to thank all my subscribers for liking, commenting, and sharing my videos over all these years. You know, we're coming out now with some merch. If you want to support the channel, there's a way, buying some t-shirts, my logo, some hats, etc. So if you want to support the channel, remember to keep hitting like, keep commenting. And if you want to buy some merch, then go ahead and buy some merch and help out the channel. And for the month of July, we're actually partnering up with Super Clean. They've been supportive of the channel. And what they're going to be doing is they're going to be giving away some of the products to one of my subscribers. As long as you comment, in the month of July 2023, you're going to be entered to receive one of these products, or it'll be a couple products, and you'll actually receive one of my shirts. I'll personally be sending that out to you. So just remember to leave a comment, either on my Instagram, MARZ Garage, or here on YouTube. Leave a comment, and if you leave a comment, I'll enter you to win one of these products. You just have to live in the US because I'm only shipping in the United States, but you don't have to purchase anything. You just go ahead and leave a comment and that'll enter you in the contest for the month of July. Now back to the video. All right, those that follow the channel, I've had the MP4 for several years now. The only major issues that I've had with it was the water pump, which is a weak point. There's some leaking. There's a video that's coming up. Actually, the water pump sitting right there. But that's been replaced. Some of the coolant hose clamps were replaced as well. But one thing that I got about 2 years ago is I got the TPMS sensor light come on, and it's just one of the batteries is low. These things have batteries that last maybe 5 to 10 years, and one of them is giving issues. So I've ordered some new TPMS sensors, and we're going to go ahead and replace them on the McLaren, and hopefully, we'll get that resolved. Like, I don't have the equipment to remove the tire and remove the sensor off of there, so I'm gonna be taken into a local shop that I trust here in Maryland, in Wheaton, and they're gonna be replacing it. And when we get back, hopefully they'll reset themselves and we can go ahead and have no errors on the car. All right, so this is what the sensor looks like. There's a valve stem that goes through here. But there is a date on here. You don't want them to have to be too old. This one looks like it's from 21. So it's about a year. Well, it's January, so 2 years, almost 2 years. But it should be okay. And there's the code RDE048. And that's what we'll be installing. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start the car. So that's the original. 3/22, March 22, 2012. So these are the originals. All right, so I left the car back there. They checked, the different sensors that are on there right now, and they're getting a reading on the battery. So everything looks like the sensor's doing all right, but obviously I'm getting this error. So we're just gonna go ahead and replace all 4 sensors, and hopefully that should take care of it. All right, so what we did is they changed out the sensors. They took the old sensors away, put them far away from the vehicle. I think they locked the vehicle. We left it for 20 minutes, and then I came back and started the car, and the TPMS error is no longer on. We don't have the little symbol that was there in the corner. So that resolved the issue that we were having. Now, if you were still getting an error, what you would have to do, according to the instructions, you have to drive the car around for about 10 minutes between 16 and 65 miles per hour. And after 10 minutes, it should, learn the new sensors and reset itself. So just in case it didn't work out the same way as it did for me, then can go ahead and just drive the car around for 10 minutes and that should do it. All right, so that's gonna be it for today. The McLaren's back in the garage. I drove it around. The TPMS error did not come back up, so that's gonna be it. Like I said, if leave it for 20 minutes after you install them. Make sure that the old ones are away from the vehicle, like very far away as you can get them. And then from there, you can either drive it for 10 minutes. And in my case, it was already reset, so I didn't have to do any of that. But in case you're still getting the error after installing them and running the car, then go ahead and drive it around for 10 miles and that should be it. So hopefully something simple, not work that I did myself, but if you're having this issue with your car, you want to troubleshoot it, then that's what this video is for. But y'all take care and check out, I got some new merch coming out. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and like, subscribe, leave a comment. Y'all take care and stay safe.